Coming up, how Tara was saved from her bad surgery.
I feel like a girl again.
And Reed's candid admission of love lost.
Do you look back and say, I wish that didn't break up?
In 2 minutes, Nance, it wasn't just Tara's chest that was disfigured in botched cosmetic surgery.
At the same time, you got liposuction.
Yeah, on my stomach.
She didn't exactly go see Dr. Scissorhands, but she does tell us about the worst decision of her life and how a hero made it all better.
Period where I used to have these dreams and I would sort of just float up out of my body.
Tara Reid reclaiming her career on the internet with the Halloween night horror movie Incubus. But why is she having to reclaim at all? She's only 30 years old. She says it was botched breast surgery, which for a while was her private pain, until one night when the rest of the world saw what she wanted to hide.
Diddy's 35th birthday party. When you're...
That was terrible. Then I became known as like having the ugliest breasts in the world, and there was like all these websites on it, like millions and millions. I was already dealing with the suffering of what it looked like. The last thing I wanted to happen was the whole world to see that.
Scarred and ashamed, 2 years ago, in an instant, there was no hiding Tara's botched plastic surgery.
The actual like center part, like where you're like...
Areola.
Yeah. Instead of it being a circle, it like turned out to be like a large square. It was horrifying.
Okay, so it ended up not circular.
At all, but like very irregular, regular long, like kind of like a goose egg shape, like terrible.
This unflattering run-in with the media was a far cry from her 1999 Girl Next Door breakout role in American Pie. She was on a roll.
Why did you go with the man who originally did this job?
I heard that, you know, this person was good and, you know, like,
so you just went in and said,
yeah.
You didn't ask any questions?
Hollywood, and you think everyone, you know, Beverly Hills, you think everyone's pretty good here. And you pay for what you get in your life. I think you just need to do research, and I didn't.
And while Tara resorted to using makeup to cover her asymmetrical scars, there was yet another problem.
At the same time, you got liposuction.
Yeah, on my stomach.
In a sense, it almost looked like a cobblestone road.
Dr. Steven Svehlak saw Tara's tummy firsthand.
I mean, it was very irregular, bumpy, with dents and high points, and it was not smooth at all.
So Tara went back under the knife, this time with her board-certified plastic surgeon.
I feel like a girl again, you know, I mean, I walk out of the shower, I'm like, wow, I'm back.
Tara said she will not sue the doctor responsible for her disfigurement.
Did it hurt dating?
Well, you were just embarrassed. You didn't, like, you know, you didn't want anyone to see what you looked like, really. You'd rather keep it covered, you know, for sure. You'd rather keep it covered.
And candidly, Tara fondly remembers her pre-surgery relationship with Carson Daly.
Do you look back and say, I wish that didn't break up, ever?
Sometimes, absolutely. I think about that all the time. I think, well, yeah, if I would have married Carson, I'd probably have kids by now. I'd probably be married. I wouldn't have had all that crazy partying. My life would be completely different. But, you know, if that was meant to happen, it would have.
Would you say he's the biggest love of your life?
Of course. I mean, you know, definitely. I've never loved anyone the way I loved him.